How to use snapping in Blender. First of all, to enable snapping, look at the top of the 3D viewport and click on the magnet icon. This is the snapping toggle. When it's active, snapping will be applied during transformations like move, rotate, or scale. Next, click the drop-down menu next to the magnet icon. Here you can choose what type of element you want to snap to, such as vertex, edge, face, or increment. For example, if you select vertex, Blender will snap your object or mesh to the nearest vertex when you move it. Now, when you press G to move, R to rotate, or S to scale, hold the Ctrl key while dragging. This activates snapping and helps you align objects or elements more accurately based on your selected mode. You can also enable snap with options like closest, center, median, or active to control exactly how the snapping behaves during the operation. This is useful when working with more complex geometry. Another handy tip is that you can toggle snapping on or off quickly by pressing Shift and Tab together. And that's it. Now you know how to use snapping in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.